Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this very extra Cutie crown. Okay, this thing is extra.com. This is not for the faint-hearted. Now everything that I'm using, including these molds, are all from the brand Funshowcase. Definitely do check out the link in the description box below so that you can have a look at what other goodies that they have. Now I'm using their epoxy resin. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, and this is probably the best resin that I've ever used. This thing came out crystal clear, hardly any bubbles at all. I had a really good time working with this. Now, even though you can see that these letters are the right way round, when I was doing this and whilst I was filming this, it just didn't quite occur to me. I kind of went into autopilot mode. So I filled them up as if they were flipped on the reverse side. So that was my first mistake. So when you're using the alphabet mold, just do it as if you are, filling it up the right way. Because when I demolded it, I then realized, hang on a second, these are actually back to front. I should have put the glitter on the top. Yeah, you get the drift. But I do manage to save it. But yeah, anyway, apart from that, I really like using their mica powders as well. Some absolutely gorgeous colors. And I found it easier, rather than like mixing up a whole batch of pink, a whole batch of yellow, to just put a little bit in with the resin and mix it in as I went along. Now do you see what I mean about it being back to front? Yeah, there was no way that I was going to be able to get away with that. Like, just no. I couldn't get away with that. But have a look at just how crystal clear that the resin is. Like, oh my gosh. Honestly, I couldn't stop stroking it. It just looks so good. It came out so smooth. Some of the letters also have a flat edge as well, because these are meant for like standing. And especially with the letter C, I was like, there's no way that I can get away with this, because it's just not going to stand up straight. So I had to put on some UV resin and then attach my glittery flakes to the top of it. So I still managed to save it. Now here comes the easy part. You just simply take an Alice band of your choice, get yourself some hot glue and start sticking the letters on. I decided to go for the T first and stick it right in the middle, and then work my way outwards, because that way I would actually get it properly in the center. And then you're pretty much done. It doesn't need anything else on it at all, because you are going to be looking extra if you have one of these on. I literally felt like I was like some queen of some sort. I don't know. Honestly, I'm too much. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.